Hello, Facebook Live. What's happening, everybody? Marcus here, and Jamie's here. Jamie's in the office.
Hello.
Jamie's working on a project. Jamie and I did a lot of projects yesterday, and we got a super busy day today, like really busy day. I've been on phone calls constantly since 8 a.m. Got another one here in about 8 minutes. So I'm going to make this Facebook Live very short. Thank you, everybody who's tuning in. Really appreciate it. Appreciate the support. Jamie and I are doing something crazy. Well, first of all, we bought 30 cases of wine this week, which was kind of crazy. We never really, I don't think we've bought that many cases of wine in one shot at one time. Have we, Jamie, ever? I don't think so.
I don't think so.
No, I doubt it. So that's the first thing that's crazy. So wine distributors now are getting new vintages of the wine in. So the previous vintage has to move. Wine distributors got hit hard last year, especially the ones that work with restaurants, a lot of restaurants, because restaurants were slow. So a lot of wine distributors were hit hard last year, sales, and all of a sudden the wineries are now pressured in with the new vintages, and they've got to move product, and some of the wineries were slower last year. So there's some good deals to be had out there. So that's why we bought 30 cases of wine this week. Wine that typically costs us wholesale $15, around $15 a bottle, which means if it made it onto the list, it would be $45. If it was in a retail store, it'd be $25. That's sort of the kind of price range of these wines that we bought. Because we bought 30 cases, we got a really good deal on the previous vintage. So we are going to do, we've never done before, this crazy, insane, ongoing, until this wine is gone, an ongoing deal. It's a takeout deal only. Good morning, everybody tuning in. Albie, Christine, good morning. So this new deal we're doing, 2 ribeye steaks and a bottle of wine. We have 4 bottles of wine to choose from, all mostly Italian. One of them is Spanish, but it's from light-bodied, so more Pinot Noir stylish, all red. Light style, all good steak wines. Lighter style, Pinot Noir style, Lago de Nero, which is from Lake Garda, from a little place called Sermoni, which is an amazing little peninsula that goes out into Lake Garda. Amazing. In fact, if you sat in the restaurant and you look in the booths up on top where the old picture frames are, those pictures are from Sermoni that I took back in 2017, maybe 2015. Jamie and I were there almost 2 years in a row in Sermoni. Beautiful, beautiful medieval peninsula villa city. So we have 4 of these wines. So 2 steaks and a bottle of wine to go for $34.99. It's a 50% savings. I want to get rid of this wine. I bought this wine for everybody to enjoy. We tasted about 12 different wines.
Also wanted to help out, the distributor.
Oh, we bought it to help out the distributor too. Exactly. So they can start working with the new vintage. So we've tasted about 12 wines. So we picked 4 out of our top picks. A lot of times when you buy wines that are on inventory reduction or wines that are on closeout, they're not good. There's a reason, because they're too deep of discounts. They're not good. The vintage is gone. So we carefully worked through these wines, and these wines are all exceptional wines. If you want them to go for takeout, they're going to be $20 a bottle. On our list, that they're going to be $30 a bottle. So if you sit down and consume a bottle, it's $30 a bottle, which for these wines, they should normally be $45 to $55 on a wine list. In New York City, they'd be $60. In a wine shop, they'll be $25. So you can sit down in the restaurant and consume one of these new bottles of wine. When you walk in, I put new racks up yesterday, and all the bottles are right there. So there's no mistaking it right there. We're going to put a little poster. And if you want them to go, they're $19.99 to go, because we always give a discount to go. So literally, you could not get a better deal on these wines and steaks. Now, if you don't eat meat and you eat fish, we'll do salmon for you. So if you want to do 1 salmon and 1 steak and a bottle of wine, $34.99. Very, very simple, straightforward. You'll see that on our website. And you'll see it. I'll probably get a banner hanging up outside because it's such a good deal. So we're super, super excited about that. Good morning, everybody tuning in. Hi, Michael. Good morning, everybody. So a few other people on. I've literally got to get another phone call here in 3 minutes. One of our
What's
coaching.
This week's special?
This week's special is peel and eat shrimp. Jamie's behind and doing a project. Peel and eat shrimp this week. 3/4 of a pound for $9.99. 3/4 of a pound for $9.99. They have these amazing, awesome shrimp. They're in a lemon garlic sauce, lemon garlic butter sauce. You can get rice or vegetables with them. They don't come with it, but 3/4 of a pound, $9.99. Amazing, amazing deal. So that is tonight's takeout special. Also, tonight's burger night, $9.99 burger night. If you're on our email list, that email will be going out. Jamie and I are going to start doing some text message marketing. So if you have your phone number, we're going to drop you a text message here in the next week or so. And just saying, hey, if you want to receive text messages from us once a week with our new updated specials, stay tuned. If you never want to hear from us again on text message, type in stop, reply with stop, and we won't text message you anymore. But I know text message marketing is getting super popular these days, so we're going to jump into that.
A lot of people have been asking us what our specials are.
Right. People have asked us. People have specifically asked us, what is your special? I'm saying, well, we send them out on an email, and it's on our website, it's on our Facebook, and they're like, we used to get your emails. I don't get your emails anymore. So for some reason, maybe they opted out, or maybe it goes into a trash folder. The deliverability sometimes is hard with when you send out 11,000 emails. Deliverability can be like on your end, your server could have issues. We use a very expensive company for our email program. They have one of the best delivery rates in the industry, and it's well worth twice the price as MailChimp or ActiveCampaign because the deliverability is just so amazing with them and all the options. So that's the deal, folks. Going forward, I'm not sure if going forward we're going to do it and see what happens with that killer deal. $34.99. So it's literally 50% off. All right, folks, I got to go. I got to get on the phone with one of our coaching clients. Yeah, lots of cool things happening here at Aroma Time. So stay tuned. It's going to be 73 degrees out today. So if you want,
Fire pit will be going.
Fire pit will be going. Outside dining. Come on down. All right, folks, thanks for tuning in. Talk to you later.